Hello and welcome to metallics.co.nz. My name's Alex Telford and today we're going to be looking at something called extrapolation. Extrapolation, yes. So what we're going to do is we're going to have this tyre, and we are going to have it so it just keeps rotating around forever and ever. So you don't need to worry about it. You can do this with car tyre. This technique's probably not the best to use on tyres. This is something that you'll more use on clocks. For example, your clocks on the wall, watches, things like that. When you want the hands of the clock, for example, just to keep turning and turning, and you don't need to worry about them. And you can set the speed; they'll just keep going, and you don't need to worry. I should really have used a clock for this tutorial, but I don't have any model clocks on hand. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just select everything you want to rotate. Shift S, cursor to select it, just so we've got it right in the middle. Shift A, we're going to add in a empty. Now we're going to shift select all of these, and then shift select the empty. Control P, parent to object. Now select the empty, and now we can start with the keyframes. So I'm just going to set my first keyframe at frame 0. Set my go insert keyframe, right click insert keyframe, and let's just move forward about 1 second, which is frame 30, I think. I don't know what my settings are at. Find them down here somewhere. 24. Okay, so I've got 24 is 1 second, and I'm going to set the I'm just going to rotate, press R, 360, and that will rotate it 360 degrees. Now, it didn't do anything up there. That's because when you hit 360, it just puts it in as 0. So you mainly got to go into Y, type in 360, right click, insert keyframe, and now you can see it rotates once and then it stops. Now this is when we get into the fun stuff. So I'm just going to right click up here, split the area, open up the dope sheet. Now I'm going to grab just the Y, so right click, shift right click on the Y, and we're going to go channel, extrapolation mode, linear extrapolation. So what that does now is it will just constantly go at 1 revolution per second until whenever. So if I just click play, you can see it's not playing in real time, but close enough. So you can see it's just going to keep rotating around, and whatever I can move it across as it's rotating, whatever, you know. It's that's a good thing about Blender. You can work with your animation while it's playing. So I can just drag around, and that is working all good. So yeah, I hope you learned something from this tutorial. I might as well include the resource files for this. Excuse the bad modeling. Maybe I should re-record this with some good modeling. Nah, screw it. I'm too lazy. Okay, so that's it for today. My name's Alex Telford, and you are on metallics.co.nz.